What does the road traffic regulation say about vehicular tires? Unless the licensing authority permits in writing, the importer of a motor vehicle or a trailer shall ensure that the motor vehicle or trailer is fitted with pneumatic tires manufactured for use in hot and normal weather. The tires are of the specified size and suited to withstand the maximum permissible loads of the motor vehicle to which they are fitted. Where the motor vehicle or trailer has a gross weight of 1.8 tons or more, the wheels of that motor vehicle or trailer are equipped with low-pressure tires, with the width and rim diameter recommended by the manufacturer. A person who drives or is in charge of a motor vehicle or trailer shall ensure that a tire fitted on one axle of the motor vehicle or trailer is of the same specifications as those fitted on the other. A person who drives or is in charge of the motor vehicle shall ensure that the motor vehicle is equipped with a spare tire that meets the required standard and is inflated. Also, what does the road traffic regulation say about vehicular brakes? A person who drives a motor vehicle shall ensure that the motor vehicle has two entirely independent and efficient braking systems. A person who drives a motor vehicle for which a brake is required following these regulations shall ensure that the brake is in good working order and condition. A person who drives a motor vehicle shall ensure that the motor vehicle is fitted with functional parking brakes. Again, what does the road traffic regulation say about vehicular engines? A person who drives a motor vehicle on a road shall ensure that the engine of that motor vehicle is efficiently silent and does not use a cutout or open exhaust. A person shall not drive a motor vehicle on a road unless the engine of that motor vehicle is covered and does not pose a source of danger to other users of the road.